Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 3, leçon X. So let's discover in this lesson together, few verbs that are constructed or used without any preposition. Okay, so we'll see the translation and the correct pronunciation, as usual. So we can start right now. To approve of, approuver, approuver, approuver. To ask for, demander, demander, demander. To invite, inviter, inviter, inviter. To listen to, écouter, écouter, écouter. To look at, regarder, regarder, regarder. To look for, chercher, chercher, chercher. To owe, devoir, devoir, devoir. To pay for, payer, payer, payer. To pray to, prier, prier, prier. To prefer, préférer, préférer, préférer. To put on, mettre, mettre, mettre. To search for, chercher, chercher, chercher. To send, envoyer, envoyer, envoyer. To smell of, sentir, sentir, sentir. To snack on, grignoter, grignoter, grignoter. To try on, essayer, essayer, essayer. To wait for, attendre, attendre, attendre. To want to, vouloir, vouloir, vouloir.